So let's say if a lot of sectors have run up, overall the markets have run up. In that case, how do you make use of sector rotation? There'll still be some pockets. So how do you bring that together?
No, you're right. So valuations are expensive in the market. If you look at across sectors, if you compare especially with historical context, valuations are expensive. At the same time, there is always value available at somewhere, some pockets in the market, and we try to capture that. But we are also not very deep value investors. So we don't just buy value for value sake unless we don't see any triggers which will help realize that value over the next 1 to 2 years. We would ideally stay away from that space. So yes, we are looking at sector rotation, and while doing sector rotation, we are conscious of the fact that we are just not going by cheapest is the best, not by that approach. But we also look at whether that value is getting realized or not. So that is an overriding factor when we look at sector rotation.
We saw recently that at some points in time, earlier also in history, that sector leading growth does not fall that much even in a market correction phase. So yes, it's expensive, but because it is sector leading growth, it maybe is not impacted. So how do you plan the valuation coverage in your portfolio? Is it very disciplined, sticking to GAP, or you are okay to take 20-30% of the portfolio towards expensive stocks, sector leading growth?
No, so in terms of valuations, we are very valuation conscious. So we always look at stocks where we find that the valuation is in line with whatever growth prospects the sector or the company may have. And of course, markets will always not be linear. So they will try to extrapolate the current trends maybe to more than what is possible. So we try to get out of those themes or stocks when we feel that the valuations have kind of disconnected from what is actually possible. So that's our approach. And of course, it doesn't happen in one go. But yes, that's our idea that if we believe that the valuations are running ahead of the fundamentals, we try to reduce our positions or exit.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.